I've got a bit of a sweet tooth, so let's bake a cake. Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today we are going to bake a peach cake. It's not quite summertime, but I thought peaches are a great way to just kind of bring that summer in, even though it's not summertime just yet. So we've already got our butter and our sugar is in here, and we're going to get this all creamed together, okay? Okay, this is all creamed up, and we're going to add in our eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition, of course. I already have my oven is already on to 350, so it's all preheated. Okay, I beat in both of the eggs, so that's all ready, and we're going to throw in our vanilla. Before I get to the vanilla, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends. Definitely click on that link tree for some other fun stuff. All right, so we're going to put in our teaspoon of vanilla. It's ready to go. So we're going to get this mixed up real fast. Okay, so our wet ingredients are all mixed up. We already have our flour ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, the normal stuff. And we are going to add this in alternately with sour cream, okay? But we start with the flour. So let's get a little bit of flour put in the bowl. We're going to do about half of it. Okay. And then we're going to get this mixed together. Here we go. Then we're going to add in about half of the sour cream. Get that all whipped together. All right. And then we're going to do the last of the flour. One more time. And now we're going to do the very, very last of the sour cream. All right, so we've got everything all mixed together. And last, we are going to fold in the chopped peaches. And this is just a can of peaches. Drained the juice from it and keep hold of that juice because we're going to be using it for the cake later on. But we're going to get all of this in here, and we're going to very gently fold the peaches all into the batter. Okay. And that look yum. This is going to be so good. Oh yeah, it's going to be great. Fingers crossed. All right, so our peaches are all folded in, and I've already got my bundt pan. I've already got it. I panned it up, and just to be on the safe side, I added some flour to it so you can see the flour, and I just kind of beat it around a little bit just for some added protection because we don't want anything to stick. So let's get this batter all poured in here, and then it'll be time to throw it in the oven. All right, so we've got all the batter in here, and we're just going to kind of smooth it around so it's all kind of even on all sides. I think that's looking pretty good. All right, so this is going to go in the oven, and it's going to bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. All right, let's throw this into the oven, okay? Let this get to baking. So I'll catch you back here in a little bit. Okay, this peach cake has been in the oven for just about an hour, and it's looking like it's done. But let's pull it out and at least check it and see. Okay, we've got our handy dandy cake tester. So here we go. Oh yeah, look at that, clean as a whistle. All right, so we're gonna let this cool for just a couple of minutes, about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it out onto a plate and hit the next step, okay? All right, our peach cake is all cooled, and now we are going to make the icing that's gonna go on top. So we just have some powdered sugar, and this is that reserved peach juice that we had from the can that I told you we would be using later. And so we're gonna put in a couple of tablespoons, and you're gonna gauge, it just depends on what the consistency you want the glaze, if you want it runnier or thicker. I usually kind of put in a little bit less and then add from there. That's what I love about it. We want this all smoothed out so it's all nice and pretty. Okay, let's see. Is that a good? Yeah, I think that's a good consistency. All right, so now we're just going to take this and we are just going to drizzle it over our cake. Doesn't that look good? Oh, that looks so yummy. This cake, it was smelling absolutely amazing when it was baking in the oven. So I have High hopes for this cake. So, all right, there we go. So we're gonna let this set for a few minutes and then we're gonna cut us a piece and see how it tastes. Our peach cake is all done. And now comes the true test because it looks pretty good. Yep, that's good stuff. It's really, really yummy, actually. It was actually pretty easy to do, too. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had a good time. I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.